Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. I'm Tiffany Davis, your go-to guide for all things wellness and holistic living with doTERRA. If you're looking for natural solutions, essential oil tips, and a little extra motivation for a healthier lifestyle, you're in the right place. Lately, I've been diving into food prep and fitness because let's be real, feeling great starts from the inside out. So you can expect plenty of fun, easy meal ideas, and fitness inspiration, all with a holistic touch. Starting today, I'll be keeping you updated on doTERRA's monthly promotions so you never miss a chance to stock up on your favorites and score amazing freebies. This month, here's what's happening. The free product of the month is a 5 milliliter lemon essential oil, a zesty must-have for cleansing, uplifting, and brightening your day. 10% off all month is grapefruit essential oil, perfect for boosting mood and metabolism. And when you place a 200 PV order all this month, you'll get 4 incredible oils: eucalyptus, wild orange, lemongrass, and lime. I recently tried all 4 in my diffuser and I loved the blend so much. I named it My Spring Dream. It's fresh, energizing, and just makes you feel amazing. Another must-know is the Foundational Wellness Bundle, which includes BMG Plus, vitamins, minerals, and beyond, E-Omega, essential fatty acids, and PB Restore, probiotic support. This trio is a game changer for overall wellness. And guess what? Even if the 15th has passed, you can still get the free lemon oil when you grab this bundle. What? If you want to stay in the loop on wellness tips, promotions, and exclusive content, make sure to head over to my website, www.heartfeltoils.com, and hop on my email list. I'd love to connect with you and help you find the best natural solutions for your journey. Thank you for being here. I am so excited to share this space with you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Sending you all the love and wellness in the world. Y'all have a great day.